Hello everyone, welcome to Salmon Vision. In this video we are going to make a combo recipe, 2 pizzas and french fries, and this is going to be completely from scratch. Today we are going to make a pizza with maida, that is all purpose flour, and I've already made pizza using wheat flour as a healthy version. You can check that out in the above iCard or below in the description box. Now let's get into the recipe. The first step is fermentation. For that I have taken 1 cup of lukewarm water and make sure the water is not very hot or else the yeast will be killed. Add 1.5 tablespoon of sugar and mix well. Then goes 2 tablespoon of dry yeast. Mix it and rest for 15 minutes minimum. Here the yeast is activated perfectly. Look at the bubbly and frothy texture of it. Now in the mixing bowl add 3 cup of maida, half teaspoon salt, half tablespoon butter. Mix it and add the yeast. Mix it well into a dough. In your workspace and knead the dough really well so that the gluten in the maida activates. This is the best way to knead. Knead it at least for 10 minutes. With this dough measurement, I have prepared 4 small size pizzas. Take the measurements according to your number of pizzas you want. Once it is done, tuck the dough like this and place in the bowl. Add oil all over the dough. Let it rest for minimum 1 hour. The dough doubles up according to the temperature and climate. Now close the bowl or cover it with a damp cloth so that it doesn't dries out on the top. I kept it for 2 hours. Meanwhile, I prepared for the french fries and the toppings for the pizza. French fries. Take water and salt as required. Once it is hot enough, add potatoes into it. I have already chopped the potatoes. Let it half cook. Once the potatoes are cooked, drain the water and wash it with the normal water once. Here is the cooked potatoes. I have taken 1 large potato. Add salt 1 teaspoon. Red chili powder 1 teaspoon, corn flour 1 teaspoon. Mix all together and it's ready to fry. In a pan, keep oil to fry. Fry it in batches. To get the perfect crispiness, we are going to fry twice. Initially fry with low medium flame. Take out and finally fry it at high flame until it attains light brown color. Yeah, our french fry is ready. You can serve it with the tangy tomato sauce. Soya chunks as the toppings. For that, here I have boiled and washed soya. Add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 teaspoon chili powder. I am using Kashmiri chili powder, especially for the color, and half teaspoon salt. And remember that we have added salt while cooking it, so adjust the salt according to that. 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon corn flour powder. Now mix all together and rest for minimum 10 minutes. I am frying the soyas in the remaining oil. Fry it until the outer layer becomes crispy. Fry it in batches. Meanwhile, let's roll the pizza dough. Look how soft it is. Now no need to knead again. Roll it and cut into pieces. Make partition according to the plate you are going to use. Then add little flour and roll it. Don't make it very thin. Let it be little thick. This works well. I'm going to bake it without oven in kadai. So preparing that with the salt and place the stand in it and keep at low flame so that it gets preheated. And don't forget to check whether the plate fits properly. There should be gaps on the sides. Coat the plate nicely with butter and add the rolled pizza dough on it. Now using both hands, expand it and make it to the desired shape. And make sure you're making the sides little thick. The topping of the pizza is completely depends on your choice. I have added some herbs on it. Then goes pizza sauce. I had store-bought pizza sauce and I'm using that. I'll make a video of making the pizza sauce at home soon. Then I have added tomato sauce for the extra tangy flavor, and it's optional. And don't forget to poke it like this on the dough with the fork or knife. So yeah, I'm going to make mushroom pizza. For that, onion, tomato, capsicum and mushrooms. Add grated mozzarella cheese. You can add cheese any of your choice. You can also add cheese sheets. Then onion, tomato, capsicum and mushrooms. Then add herbs and chili flakes as a topping. Once it is done, place in the oven or in the kadai and close it. Let it cook for 25 minutes in low flame and 5 to 10 minutes on the medium to high flame. It's perfectly cooked. The cheese are melt completely. Slice it and serve hot. I really love the smell while it's cooking. This is our second pizza. So repeat the same procedures, and in the topping I have added onion, tomato, fried soya chunks. Make it into small pieces and add. This pizza exactly replaces the non-veg pizza. My parents and in-laws loved them. Serve when it's hot to witness the real taste. We were 8 people at home, so these 2 pizzas were perfect for us. He was so excited that I made cake, and then I told him that it was a pizza. As this is made out of maida, we didn't give him. But the previous pizza which I have made with the wheat flour, we gave him and he loved that. So my personal suggestion is to use wheat flour than maida, as it is healthy and it's kids friendly too. I just want to try the pizza on the non-stick pan. So I have made the pizza using the remaining dough. It is good and the cooking time was also less in this. The only thing is the crust is becoming very crispy. It's not soft. Whereas in that way of baking it was soft. So that is the only difference in this. But taste wise and the baking wise it was even. Try it out in whichever way you are comfortable. If you have any suggestion for the crispy crust, do let me know. So enjoy this pizza with your family and give us your feedback. Actually, I have posted the pics in Instagram. I got so much DMs asking for the recipe. I'm really happy about that. Finally, here is the recipe. Try it out and don't forget to let me know. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you in the next video. Bye. and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.